Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how do you link your Venmo and PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. On your mobile phone, just go and download the Venmo application and open it up. So once you have done so, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do to go ahead and be able to link with PayPal is to log into our Venmo account. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you want to do is register for one. You can go ahead and get started registering in the Get Venmo option right here. That's going to enable you to register on your mobile application. Just go ahead and continue with your phone number and get an account. And once you have done so, you can log in. So after logging in successful, you'll be greeted by the homepage. Your homepage is going to look like this. This is the homepage of Venmo from where we can get started with accessing all the sections that we need to use right here at the bottom of the screen, such as the home section, cards, me, and so on. And now we can do so and connect to PayPal. So how do we connect to PayPal? We can follow the steps right here on the official PayPal website on how to set ourselves to send money from Venmo to PayPal. Basically guys, as you can see at the time, it's not possible to link your Venmo and PayPal account. But what you can do is if you want to send money to your PayPal account via Visa Plus, you can do so. You'll need a Visa Plus that you're going to go and be using with your Venmo, and then you can get started. So if you want to go ahead and get started, you're going to go into the Me tab. The Me tab is right here at the bottom right of the screen. So as you can see, here is your Me tab that you want to tap to open up. After that, you can go and tap the settings gear in the top right. Your settings gear is right here in the top right part of the screen. You want to open up there as well, and then you can click to send money to PayPal. There is going to appear an option that says to send money to PayPal. Then you can go ahead and tap and send and enter in the PayPal pay name and your username on PayPal that you want to go ahead and send to, then enter in the dollar amount and confirm the payment. Using those steps, you can get started with connecting your Venmo with PayPal and sending money from one to another. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.